It's Shortland Street, but not as we know it.
When symptoms go from bad to worse, you need a doctor or a nurse will fix.
Telling an old story in a fun new way.
But there is so much more to us than meets the eye at Shortland Street.
Based on the very first episode of the TV show, it features 30-year-old Tāwai Fa'asavalu, the only Pacific Islander in the cast.
It's awesome. I feel like throughout the years of Shortland Street, there's been key members of our Pacific people in Shortland Street, and I feel like we're honoured to be in it and representing our, Pacifica flavour. Guy and Simon, they approached me about 2-3 years ago to do the workshop for Shortland Street, but I had already moved to Melbourne, and I said I couldn't do it. And then 2 years later, I was moving back to New Zealand, and my agent said, hey, would you like to audition?
Impressing the producers with his singing and dancing, Tāwai credits his talent to his Pacific Island roots.
They saw me in the factory, which was a couple of years ago, and they really liked the enthusiasm that I brought to the stage. I used to dance in a group called Delicious, so we toured around the world, and then we went to Edinburgh Festival with the factory, and just last 2 years I've been in Melbourne.
Tāwai admits coming from an all-Polynesian cast to being the only Pacific Islander on this production has been a learning experience.
It's quite different because it's a different energy, but a good positive energy. It's just different ways to warm up, different vocal warm-ups. So it's good, and it's a learning curve. Every day I've learned something new, and it's good for me to take on to wherever I go from after this.
Learning new skills, Tāwai is delving into his Samoan culture.
My father's name is Fasavalu in Sa Makayuka, so that's a high chief name in that village. And me and my brother wanted to get our pe'as done, but my dad always said, ka mu mole ngukufkua ka role le pe'a. So it's just a saying of make sure you know how to speak the language before you get it done. So that's just always in my head. So I'm always trying to learn more Samoan and getting it, getting used to the culture.
Moving forward, Tāwai wants to encourage the younger generation to broaden their horizons.
There's so much talent flowing in the veins of South Auckland. It's just harnessing that and putting it into a positive way. And I guess it's just, I feel like I'm doing my part in encouraging, oh, look, that guy's, Polly guy's in Shortland Street Musical. And then, because that's how I got the love of performing arts, is seeing someone in a mainstream performance or doing something mainstream. Okay, if he can do it, I can do it.
You're a Shortland Street.